Today I will show you how to disable the double tap to wake up and double tap to go to sleep on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. It's very easy. This feature is really convenient. If you have the phone sitting on a desk, on a table, you can easily see if there is any notification and the time. But if you don't want that, I can show you now how to disable it. To disable the double tap to wake up feature, actually I can even use it right now. I can even double tap now to turn off the phone. To disable the double tap to wake up feature, you go into the settings. So I did a swipe up from here from the home screen and then the up drawer and look for settings. In the settings, you search for the advanced features. Here, advanced. And in advanced features, look for motion and gestures. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with the OneUI 6.1, but on older phones this might be a little bit different, but then the idea is going to be the same. You are now on the motions and gestures page, and you can enable lift to wake up if you wanted to, but I have it disabled. And also this is the double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. If you don't want to turn off the screen with double tap, this is the setting to disable it, and now I disabled it. But you can also disable the double tap to turn on screen. You might want to disable this if you notice that your phone is turning on by itself in your pocket for some reason when it's touching something. So this might be an option. You can disable it. So now I double tap and nothing happens, and the phone now is locked. And when I double tap, it will show me a dimmed screen with the clock here. So I see the clock, date, and the fingerprint and the battery charging capacity right now. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.